welcome to the Jefferson Virtual Open House for the 2020-2021 school year. My name is Mrs. Goodwin, and I teach kindergarten, first, and second grade autistic support. Here at Jefferson, we have 6 autistic support classrooms. You will be meeting the other teachers and staff in this video. This year looks a little different. Most students are here in person. Others are following a virtual schedule, while others are following a hybrid model. We are navigating COVID-19 and teaching skills that are meaningful to your child.
Hi, I'm Ms. Ulrich. I am the Mercyhurst Grads teacher here at Jefferson. I teach kindergarten autistic support. I'm really looking forward to a great year of growth, and here is my support staff.
Hi, I'm Miss Maggie. I'm a Mercyhurst grad student, and I'm also a teacher's assistant.
Hi, I'm Miss Klein. I'm a Mercyhurst graduate student, and I am one of our teacher aides.
Hi, I'm Miss Michelle, and I'm the teacher's aide.
I'm Mrs. Godin. This is my teacher assistant,
Miss Doxy.
We're looking forward to a wonderful year in room 217.
Hello, I'm Miss Delansky. I teach first, second, and third grade. I'm new to Jefferson this year, so I'm very excited to get to know all the kids. This is my support staff.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Howland. This is my 4th year at Jefferson, and I'm also excited to see Miss Delansky here with us and to see your kiddos very soon.
Hi, I'm Miss Carney, and I teach second grade autistic support. I'm new to Jefferson this year, and I'm looking forward to learning with the best Jefferson Broncos out there. And this is my support staff.
Hi, I'm Gillian Gavin Anderson. I am the teacher's aide to Miss Carney here in room 220 for autistic support.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Ryan. I teach 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade autistic support. I'm looking forward to most this year is learning the different personalities in my classroom. This is my support staff.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Shepherd.
Hi, I'm Miss B.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Kingholz.
Hi, I'm Miss Weaver, and I teach 3rd through 5th grade autistic support. I'm looking forward to watching your child learn and grow this year. Here's my support staff.
Hi, I'm Miss H.
And then we also have Miss E with us as well.